Now, Easy will go unbox. Oh, open.
What?
We'll unbox his new toy airplane.
What?
You open. Yay! Wow! Wow! You happy? What's that? Oh!
It's like scratching. It's more control. Oh, Daddy, this is scratching.
Wait, it's the tail.
Here.
You should put it here.
Hey, what's it go? There? Oh, okay. Hi, it's not land off.
No, wait, we will put battery.
Okay, Dad.
Return back.
The picture the picture of the
You
airplane.
you switch on the airplane.
Switch on.
Wow! Okay, the remote. Woo! Back. Woo!
Yeah.
Okay, we play outside. Okay. You like it?
Yeah, I like it.
Wait. Daddy will open the door. You pick up. You like it?
Yeah, he's running around in circles.
Oh, rounding, huh? Oh, say bye-bye first. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Please subscribe.
Please subscribe.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.